Hello, I am Abraham. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is Inside Droid. You'll have to type the word Inside Droid in the search bar and then search it to get it. Okay, now today's video tutorial I'll show you a simple animation. For that I'll tap on this animation, new project, and then I'll drag and drop here an image. Okay, we have an Android image. I'll bring it down. For that I have to go to translation Y. Translation Y is an vertical position of an object. Say image, it may be the object may be an image, the object may be a linear layout, okay, or any or other objects that is inside this wizards. I mean object in the sense I mean to say wizards. Okay, for this case, in this case we will put the position to 150. Why? So you will see that the Android image coming down. See, you can down, it came down to 150 dp. Okay, now I want this Android image to move to and fro in this in a horizontal fashion. Okay, so for that let's go to an event and then tap on start. Okay, before that we'll have to go back and get our component. Right now our component is empty. I tap on the plus sign, and then here on my right side of the screen on the third list you will see object animator. So I have tap on object animator and you have to give a name. So in this case I'll give Android. Okay, because the image that we have in our screen is of Android. Okay, one more thing I will do, I'll just change this name ID. Okay, I'll give this Android as well so that it is easy for us to identify. Android we cannot give. Okay, if we cannot give Android we can give Droid. Okay, we have given Droid. Let's go back. I'll tap on event. Now I'll tap on create. Now I'll tap on this blue icon, and then I'll tap on the component, and here you can see I have a set target, object animation set target. I'll drag and drop here, and then from the drop down I will select Android, and then from the view I will select image view Droid, and then I will select the set property, drag and drop in below this object animator that earlier we have set. Okay, now set property. Now you can see here there are various properties which you want to animate. Okay, in this case, in our case we are going to work on the horizontal position of the Android image, okay, which will move to and fro. So when we talk of horizontal, it means translation X. So I'll select translation X. Okay, and then from here I'll set values from, I'll drag and drop here, and from the drop down I'll select Android again. Now set values from, which value we want to animate, I mean which value we want to work on. So in this case we want we'll tap on the view first of all, and then from here we want translation. Our property is translation X, so we want the current X position of the image Android. Okay, so for that we'll drag and drop this translation, get translation X, and from the drop down I'll select image view Android, and then the end of the screen should be around 950. Okay, 950 is the border area of the screen, of my screen. So I have selected from whatever position. Right now it is in the 0 position, the X position of the image is 0, so it will move from 0 to 950. Again we want this from 950 to move to 0. Okay, so in that case let's select component again, and then we have finished. Now we'll set the duration, so I'll drag and drop duration, and from the I'll select Android, and then duration we will give around 2000. 2000 is fine, and then we'll give the set repeat mode. Okay, means how many times we want to repeat this animation. Okay, I mean not exactly that, in what fashion you want to repeat. So it will go from our left hand to the right hand, and then since we have selected reverse, that is set repeat mode to reverse, so it will go back from right to left again, so it will continue. So how many times we want it to continue? For in that case we have to select set repeat count. Okay, we'll drag and drop set repeat count here, select Android, and then we want, say for example, let's take it 5 times. Okay, we want it 5 times to repeat the animation. Then again I'll drag and drop here set interpolator. Okay, and from here see what kind of you want it to increase the speed, you want it to decrease the speed of the movement, or you want the object to bounce, you can select bounce, or you want the object speed to increase and decrease both, or you just want it in a normal way. So in that case, in my case, I'll select linear. I've selected linear. Then now after we are done, we will tell the Android to start the animation. So for that we have to drag and drop start. Okay, now let's compile. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe it. The name of my YouTube channel is Inside Droid. You can also type Abraham Bongcher. You will also find there some of the tutorial based on programming of Android with what you call in Python. Okay, we are done. Let's tap on the done, and then we'll go for our animation. Yeah, this is our app. You can see our Android is moving to and fro in a horizontal fashion 5 times only, and then it will stop. Or you can put a loop so it will go on. Okay, thank you friends for watching my video tutorial. If you like my video tutorial, please follow me in my Facebook Inside Droid, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel Inside Droid or Abraham Bongcher. Thank you.